Okay, so in linked list, can you tell me how the structure is given?
Basically, which consists of number of nodes, and in the first it is containing the data, and followed by the address of the next node. So in the similar manner, it consists of nodes.
Okay. So now I'm asking somebody else. Can somebody tell me an example of an ordered data structure? An ordered list. Example बता सकते हो where you use an ordered list. Hmm? Anyone? No one. Can you all hear me? Or why is others keeping quiet? Can you all hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you
Yes,
give me an
ma'am.
example of an ordered list? Ordered का मतलब क्या है? Sorted. तो कहाँ पे use करते हैं sorted list? Example. Binary search. How is binary search done? Come on.
Divide and conquer method.
Okay, yeah, but yeah, what do you do first? Like you sort the list, right? You can do binary search only on a sorted elements, right? List of elements. You all agree with me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, unordered list का example बताओ. Searching in an unordered list. Example.
Linear search.
Yeah, linear search is an example of searching in an unordered list. So can you tell me the complexity of a linear search? Anybody?
Big O of N.
Big O of n.
Yeah, so what is the complexity of binary search?
Big O of log.
Big O of log
So
N.
of log.
Yeah, so but still okay. So for these two methods were used, but we tend to use hashing because we found that hashing was much better compared to these methods, and then we learned the different hashing techniques. So similarly, we have another method which is called the skip list, which is actually, you can say, it's a combination of different linked list. Okay, so skip list can be considered as a randomized list or probabilistic data structure or a randomized data structure. Since linked list is a dynamic data structure, you can say skip list is also a dynamic data structure. Can somebody tell me why it is called dynamic data structure? डायनामिक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर क्यों बोलते हैं? Why do we say a linked list is dynamic in nature?
Ma'am, because memory has been allocated during the runtime
Yeah,
when we are executing.
very correct. So when you are creating a linked list, you create a node whenever you need to place a data, and you use that node, you attach it to the existing linked list. Whenever there is an insert or you remove it from the linked list, and it's all done on user's request. So you can say it's a dynamic list, like you can expand and you can shrink on demand. So it's a dynamic list, whereas when you talk about arrays, it's all static because you have to specify the size of the array before you start coding. So that is why it's called static. So similarly, you can say skip list is also dynamic in nature. And why it is called skip list is because you can skip certain nodes. When अभी linear when you do a search in linked list, can somebody tell me कि linked list में searching कैसे होते हैं? It is one node after the another node, right? How do you search that element from the linked list? डेटा सर्चिंग कैसे होते हैं लिंक लिस्ट में? एक नोड you traverse every node sequentially, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so but it is coming as similar to the linear search method. That is, you are traversing one node after the another. So we know that linear search का जो complexity problem है, it is big O of n. So we thought of like to increase or to decrease the complexity, you can think about a sorted list where the elements are in the sorted way, like just like the binary search. So you want the combination of the qualities of a linked list as well as the qualities of an ordered list. That is why we use skip list. Now in skip list, what you do is, instead of sequentially traversing every node, you can skip certain nodes. That's why it's called the skip list. And you have two special nodes called the head node and the tail node. Head node is the very first node of the skip list, whereas the tail node is the last node of the skip list. Okay, and the node consists of a key value pair and a pointer to the or the reference to the next node. Okay, so that is how a skip list is. So I hope you understood the theoretical part, and I'll tell you why it is called the random data structure. But have you understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just show you why it is called random skip list. Let's see if you can see the screen. I'll show you it as a video. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll show you. So just see, watch. So initial state is a linked list. So can you see it? Can you see the linked list created?
Yes, ma'am.
You see the initial state. So what do you find in this particular linked list? The elements in the linked list is in the ordered form, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You all can see the screen, right, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
you can take this as a level 0. So the elements are in the ordered form. That is, every node is connected to the next node, and you can see the elements inserted is in the ordered form. So that is the one feature of the skip list. That is, it is a linked list. You can see it is a linked list, and the level 0, in the level 0 all the nodes are connected sequentially one after the other, and you can see every node is connected to the next node, some node near to it, and you can see the elements are in the sorted form. Now going forward, you can see as I told you, the list contains a head node, so you can call it as a sentinel. Okay, here, and it's a skip list. It contains different levels. So level 0 mein kaise every node is connected to the next node. So you can see, then you can have different levels. Now how is level 1 taken? I said it is a randomized list, skip list. Skip list is a randomized data structure. So how do you do randomization is by tossing. You can say, like, if it is a head, you will link it to the next node. If it is a tail, you will skip the node. So that is how it is done. So you can see Now we are in the node 2. That is the first element. And you can see when you flip the coin and you see if you get a head or a tail. Since you got the head, you connect the sentinel to node 2. Have you understood that part? इतना समझ में आया क्या? पहले level 0 है just like an ordinary linked list. Now as you go to other levels, not every node is connected with each other. So for that, to decide which node is linked to the node, the previous node, you have to do some sort of randomization. So here they have shown an example of flipping a coin. So if when you flip the coin from one node, if it is a head, you link it, and if it is a tail, you skip that node. So from you see the node with element 2. When you flip the coin from that position, you got a head. So the sentinel in the level 1 is connected to node 2. समझ में आया क्या वो?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes.
See, you can see the coin over there. Can you see the coin? The person who said no. Have you understood level 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So level 0, it's a normal linked list. Abhi level 1 is just a level above the level 0. So how to decide level 1 linkage is by the method of randomization. So for that you will flip a coin. So coin flip करने के बाद क्या आया? What do you see on the screen?
Head.
Head. Okay. So you got a head. Now what happened is, since you got the head, you will connect the sentinel to the node with element 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर tail आया होते तो हम link ही नहीं करते. Is it clear? So that is what. So the flipping of the coin is taken as an example of randomization here. So if you get a head, you will connect. If you don't get a head, you will not connect. That is a strategy. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now you go to the next method. Now we are in the element node with element 8. Now you're flipping the coin. Okay. So what do you get? What do you see on the screen? Anybody? What do you see on the screen?
Tail.
Tail. So will you connect it to the previous node?
No,
No,
ma'am.
Will
ma'am.
you connect it? Yes or no? Speak up, students.
No.
Tail मिला तो
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
connection होगा क्या? नहीं. So you can see we are going to skip node with element 8. So see, we didn't do a connection. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are in the node with element 10. So we'll again flip the coin. What do you get? What do you see on the screen?
Head.
Head.
Head. So will we do a linkage or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see we are connecting the node with element 10 to the previous node. Can you see it now? Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now going to the next node, which is the next node? 11. Again, you flip the coin. So when you flip the coin, you get a head. So 11, the node with 11 is connected to the node with 10. Then you go to 13. Again, you flip the coin. You get a head. So you connect node 13, node with element 13 to 11. Okay. Then again, you go to 19 and you flip, and what you get is a tail. So you skip the node with element 19. Then you go to the next node 20, you flip it, you get head. So we can connect it to 20. Similarly, you do the subsequent steps. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have reached the last node. Again you flip it, you get a tail, so you skip it. Understood? You can see you can see the video how it works. Now you can go to the next level. So first iteration is done. You can go to the next level. So you know the skip list can have different levels. So if you're going to level 2, so level 1 is already done. Now if you want to go to a level 2 linked list, the same process is going to be taken. How is it done? You flip the coin. If you get a head, it will be connected. Yes. And now it is as per the level 1 nodes. You won't go to node 8. You will go directly to node 10 as the next element. You get a tail. So you will skip that node. Can you see it? You are skipping that node and you are going to node 11. So what happens is you flipping again, you are getting a tail. So again you skip the element with 11 and you go to node 13 because as per level 1 of the linked list, these are all connected. Yes. So 13 gets a head. So the node 2 element is going to get connected to node 13 element. Okay, now you won't select 19, you will select 20. Why? Because as per level 1, after 13 comes 20. You get a tail, so you're not going to connect it. Then you get select 26 and it's a head. So you will let it get connected to level 2. And yes, that is the last node. So you stop there and level 2 is finalized. Is it clear? So far, is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how you build the list. So level 2 is done. Now if you want a level 3 also you can go. So you can have any levels actually. So that is why it is called the skip list. The first level or level 0 will be a normal one, local one. And as you go further up, you will get a list with linkage by skipping different nodes randomly. So when you do a coding, you will use a random function. For explanation, they have given you an example of flipping the coin. Okay, so that's how it is done. So if you can see, first level node with the element 2 is selected as per level 2. You flip it, you get a tail, so it will not be connected. Then node 13 will be selected. Yes, and then again flipping the coin is done. You get a head, so sentinel will be connected to node 13 in level 3. And then the next node which is going to be selected is 26 as per the level 2. And so you get a tail, so you're going to skip that. So this is how it works. So level 0, level 1, then you have level 2, and that's how the procedure ends. So I hope it is clear to all now. The skip list, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So that
Yes.
is what a skip list is. It's made of series of nodes connected to one after the other. And each node contains a key value pair and it can have one or more references. Why we say one or more references? Because we have it in levels. Okay. Yes, students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, so I just got disconnected. So this is how it is. So that is what a skip list is. If anybody has any doubt, please let me know. We'll learn the insertion and deletion part in the next class, but till I hope everybody has understood how you have to build a list. Is it clear?
Ma'am, what's the use of skip list? Because linked list is also there. So
Yeah, see, that's what I said. In the in linked list, when you do a traversal, you are doing a linear search traversal, like you are going from one node to the next node as per the reference. But in skip list, I'll just tell you an example. Suppose you want to go to node 4 in the example. You can see node 4.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you do it in a linked list? From node 1, you go to node 2, then to node 3, and then to node 4, right? So 4 steps है. Is it clear? 4 steps में जाएंगे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like you're searching an element. Okay, it's not that you're searching an element, suppose. So you will go one node after the other and you will check whether the element is present or not. But suppose you're taking level 1. Okay, तो level 1 में कैसे head node से कहाँ पे जा रहे?
Directly on 3.
3. Okay, then you will check whether the element is greater or smaller than the requested element. Okay, so if it is smaller, why we are checking that? Because the skip list is ordered. ठीक है, so अगर smaller है तो वो positions के left side में all the smaller elements होगा and जहाँ पे है हम उसके right side में all greater elements होगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if I go from the head node to position 3 and I check whether the element is present or not, and you get one element and that element is smaller than the requested element, means my element is on the right side of that node. Okay, and if it is greater than the requested element, means it is in the left side of the node. Right, so in
Yes.
that way you can now, like you know, travel in the road, पहले वो जो speed track ले सकते हैं, like you can go faster and then you, as you reach the destination, you can take the local path. So that way from 1 to 3 I can go directly by skipping node 2, and then if I want to go to node 4, I'll come one level below in the node 3 and then go to node 4. So instead of traversing 4 steps, I can do it in 2 by taking level 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Others, have you understood what I'm trying to say? जैसे रोड में आप ट्रैवल करते हैं, when you have your destination is very far, you can just take the speed lane, right? And as the destination approaches, you can go to the local lane and go slowly one after the other. That's how the skip list works. That's why I said I'll tell you how to insert and search later, but that is the methodology we are going to follow here. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, so that's it for today. If you have understood, good. Otherwise, we will again, when we do, you know, we learn the insertion part and the deletion part and the searching part. I'll explain it once again. But I hope building of skip list is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, thank you for joining the session today. We'll see it in the next class and we'll learn how to insert, delete and search in a skip list. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.